My name is Helen Bironji. I am the CEO of Herbs Organic Limited that is located in Katete, Mbarara. We add value to mango seeds by processing them into mango seed butter. We then sell this butter to cosmetic manufacturers, and then we also use it to manufacture organic cosmetics such as lip balm, lip gloss and jellies. I started Herbs Organic Limited at campus in my first year at the university. The campuses were affected by drying, cracking and inflammation of the lips. With the little knowledge we had attained, we started doing research of how to make an organic lip balm. That's when we made Herb Classic Herbal Lip Balm. I had joined some incubation program at Mbarara University called the Farm Biotrack. They helped me to start. On starting, I was put in some WhatsApp group, and that's when I saw the High Innovator link. I enrolled for the course. I and my team decided to go for the NSSF High Innovator Accelerator program. We were called for the boot camp, which opened my mind. Then when we were called to pitch, the fact is that I was scared. When it came to time to read the people that have won, we were read among the last people. I was so excited. I was so happy. After receiving the NSSF High Innovator Accelerator Fund, we were able first to shift to a larger production place. We were able to also get larger equipment that we can use to process these mango seeds, to process the lip balms. Then we were able to increase our capacity of production. We were basically making 300 tins of lip gloss every 3 months, and then 500 in 3 months for lip balm. But then currently we are able to make the 500 tins of lip balm in a month. We know at least from the lip balm, every month currently we can get a minimum of 4 million. And also with the accelerator program, we have been able to invest into the ground marketing team. Right now we have over 50 people in the field, and also we were able to start manufacturing our own raw materials. We were able to get more funding. That was from DFCU, the Rising Women in Business. We have been able to provide extra 5 employment opportunities. Those are direct jobs, the full-time jobs. We are also providing employment opportunities, especially to the people collecting the mango seeds.
Kare nko mu week ujanga lip balm nibatwaraho ka half dozen. Oil yo netambura mnonga byo mwe narakujana buza oil. Price yayo nimba ninjira muri za kashanju. Nanowe 15 nimuhereza twara. Then lip balm ninjira muri za 15 10. Hair food 15 wibere 5 ninjimuhereza.
We have 5 staff that are NSSF registered, though we are looking at registering all our staff. For the woman entrepreneur outside there, I would tell them, in case you have an idea, just start. I would like to encourage them to enroll to the NSSF High Innovator program. I am confident their businesses will be impacted, their businesses will grow, and they will see a future, and their visions will become more clearer. I want to thank Outbooks Uganda for the support they have given us, for believing in Herbs Organic Limited, for the MasterCard Foundation. We want to thank them for believing in Herbs Organic Limited and finding it as a potential business that would provide employment opportunities to the youth and to the women outside there. I want to thank the NSSF High Innovator program for, first of all, making us compliant to them, and also for preparing a future for Ugandans and also us. With support from the NSSF High Innovator program, I am transforming Uganda.